we'll guide you through how to debug in VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your desktop. You need to ensure your project is loaded and you're in the correct workspace. Now, go to the activity bar on the side and click on the Run and Debug icon, which looks like a play button with a bug. This will open the Run and Debug view. Here, you can select the environment or language you are working with, like Node.js, Python, or any other supported language. If your project doesn't have a launch configuration yet, VS Code will offer to create one for you. Click on Create a launch.json file, and it will generate a default configuration tailored to your environment. Now, set a breakpoint in your code where you want to pause execution. You can do this by clicking in the gutter next to the line numbers. Once the breakpoint is set, go back to the Run and Debug view and click the green play button to start debugging. VS Code will run your code until it hits the breakpoint, allowing you to inspect variables, view the call stack, and evaluate expressions in the debug console. If needed, you can step over, step into, or step out of functions using the control buttons at the top of the window. You can also hover over variables to see their current values, which is super handy for understanding what's going on at each step. When you're done, you can stop debugging by clicking the red square button. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.